there's another software update for the Cybertruck 2024.20.7. Right, well, let's run it. Alright, so the update finished. Here you can see DC fast charging, alright, 2024.20.7. DC fast charging. This release includes various changes to improve your vehicle's DC fast charging performance. I mean, it was charging okay before, it could have been faster, so probably it's going to charge faster now. I guess we'll find out. The only thing I'm waiting for, software-wise, I mean the self-driving, but the one that people don't know about is the AC charging. I want the outlets to work while I'm AC charging, because if I'm using one of those level 2 slower chargers, I like to have the outlets available, because you don't always have outlets available when you're at a AC charging place. If you're using like one of those Tesla destination chargers, you might want to be powering something while you're still charging. So yeah, but anyways, we'll see. I'll test this out later. We'll see how fast it charges.